خابرنا مطاعم كربلاء مرتين وحكينا وياهم انجليزي.
I want to place an order.
شنو؟ نو. شلون اقول له ماكو؟
Is there anybody that speaks English?
هي مالي هون تحكي انجليزي.
Is there anyone that speaks English please?
هي مال تحشيش عود.
هسه راح نخابر مطاعم العاصمة بغداد، هل تحجون انجليزي ام كلا؟ المكان المشهور جدا، ملتقى المثقفين، امثالي وامثالكم طبعا. Hello. Can you speak English?
اهلا. يعني مثلا Arabic. Can I help you?
Yes, actually. I'm wondering what types of coffee do you guys sell?
Okay. And 6 o'clock.
Is that a type of coffee that's called 6 o'clock? Why you hang up on me? Why you hang up on me? Pass. Hello?
Hello حبيبي.
Can you speak English?
50-50.
What do you mean? What do you mean exactly?
وين انت؟
What?
صوتك مو غريب. يا سبيك انجلش ما تقول لي. الوضع هو تعبان.
Do you guys sell burgers? Why are you laughing? قطع بوجهي. صوتي غريب لك، ما شايفك بحياتي، ما اعرفك من بغداد. بس هذا مطعم عاشتيتكم شباب. هسه راح اخابر مطعم فرع بغداد. Hello?
Hello, Filipino?
No, I'm actually from Canada.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have a friend from Filipino.
Oh, it's okay. He calls you usually on this phone? I have a question about the menu.
Okay, go ahead.
What types of burgers do you have?
Beef or chicken?
I like both.
Both.
Yes.
So we have a crunchy chicken, we have a smoky crunchy chicken, we have a spicy crunchy chicken.
That sounds absolutely delicious. What do you like?
I like all of them. Baghdad or where?
I'm in Karbala.
Whoa, Karbala, no, we're in the Baghdad.
Oh, you're in Baghdad. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, though.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, I love you.
Okay, I love you too. How about my English? Is good or weak?
It's amazing. I love you, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Take
Thank
care.
you so
Take care,
much.
brother. I literally love this guy. He's amazing. Sense of humor, English, vocabulary, whatever you want to imagine. Graffiti burger. عاشتيتكم. فرع بغداد. أخلاق. إنجليزي مرتب. شلون دا يتواصل بشكل حلو. عاشتيتكم. What types of pizzas you guys sell?
We do have pizza. We have only burger. We have like Angus burger.
Okay, do you have delivery?
Liver, yes, we have.
Okay, thank you very much. شباب هذا مصري لو أنا غلطان.
أنا سمعت.
This guy Egyptian. So مطعم هارديز يحكون إنجليزي بس Egyptian guy. المهم الإنجليزي موجود. شباب مطعم كربلاء لاحظتوا الفرق؟ شفتوا شلون اللي يشتغل ببغداد يجاوب وياي بالانجليزي؟ على الاقل دا يوصل فكره، فكل اللي اريد اوصله. This guy with certificate, give him job. Give him, okay? Thank you.